The candy washing machine E03 error can occur for several reasons. One of the most common causes is a clogged drain pump filter. Over time, lint, hair, and other debris accumulate, preventing proper water drainage. Another possible issue is a kinked drain hose, which restricts water flow. Additionally, a blocked household drainage system can lead to the same problem. To prevent the candy washing machine E03 error, regular maintenance is essential. Cleaning your machine with baking soda and vinegar helps dissolve buildups in the drainage system. Many users overlook the importance of keeping the filter and hoses clean, but neglecting this step often leads to error E03 appearing. If you encounter this error, follow these troubleshooting steps. First, inspect the drain hose. Ensure it is not bent or twisted, and if necessary, straighten it out. Then, check if there are any obstructions inside. The next step is to examine the connection between the hose and the household drainage system to make sure water flows freely. Another critical step is checking the drain pump filter. Just like removing mold from the rubber seal of a washing machine, accessing the filter requires opening the service flap. Place a towel under the machine to catch any excess water before unscrewing the filter. Remove any debris and rinse the filter thoroughly before reinserting it. Solving the candy washing machine E03 error requires a systematic approach. Start by thoroughly cleaning the filter. Prepare towels, unscrew the cover, remove the filter, clean it, and place it back. Next, ensure the drain hose is clear. Disconnect it from the drainage system, flush it with a strong stream of water, and check for blockages. To avoid encountering this issue in the future, follow a regular maintenance schedule. Clean the filter monthly, inspect the hose every 3 months, and check the pump every 6 months. Consistent care extends the lifespan of your washing machine and ensures it functions efficiently. Also, be mindful of the quality of items being washed, as foreign objects can contribute to drainage problems.